Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tribonet. My name is Manoj. Today, in this video, let us learn about the tribological problems in total joint replacements. The primary clinical challenge in total joint replacement is associated with a prosthetic failure and need for revision surgery. The prevalence of the primary and the revision total hip or knee arthroplasty has been steadily increasing, resulting in significant economic burdens on the hospitals. With the total hip replacement being performed on younger and more active patients, the main limitation lies in the rapid wear of components. Therefore, finding the solutions to reduce this wear problems is crucial. The aim of tribology research is to minimize and eliminate losses caused by the friction and wear in all technological domain involving the surface rubbing. The challenges with the total joint replacements. During the process of wear, debris is generated and expelled from the contact between two surfaces. In the case of the hip implants, the wear products can cause the adverse reactions in the surrounding tissue, leading to significant bone loss and the loosening of the implant. This requires revision surgery, which is complex, expensive, and risky. The choice of the biomaterials used in the implants is crucial, and the laboratory wear tests are essential for evaluating their performance. Here we can see the wear in the total joint replacement implants. How do we address this problem? That is through hip simulators. The wear resistance of the surfaces is not solely determined by the properties of the material itself, but rather relies on the various system variables such as the operating condition, type of counterface, and environmental factors. To ensure the accurate evaluation of these wear properties of new orthopedic materials, it is essential to characterize them using the devices that can simulate the tribological conditions experienced in human hip joint. This helps to minimize the variation in the material properties that could impact the wear process. Here in this figure, we can see the image of the hip simulator. What is a hip simulator? A hip joint wear simulator is a device that is designed to replicate the wear experienced by prostheses in a patient's hip joint under the realistic test conditions. By applying a set of motions, the simulator aims to closely mimic the wear patterns observed during the typical clinical use prior to the clinical trials, and it is essential to evaluate the new products in the laboratory settings using these simulators. The introduction of this engineering approach marked significant progress in the late 20th century. Joint simulators have been developed to recreate the biomechanics of the human joints in the controlled environments. Some simulators serve the dual purpose of measuring the wear and friction between the joint components. These are the references for the information provided in this video, and in this video we studied what is the problems that is involved with the total joint replacement, challenges with the total hip replacement, how do we address this problem, that is through hip simulators, and what are hip simulators. Thank you for watching this video, and to get more details on the topics related to tribology, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Tribonet. Also visit our website on www.tribonet.org.